Teaching your baby to hold their own bottle is an exciting milestone. It helps them learn to be more independent. With love and practice, they can learn this new skill step by step. Before teaching your baby to hold their bottle, make sure they are ready. Watch for signs like your baby sitting up with little help and reaching for nearby objects. If they show interest in holding the bottle, it may be a good time to start practicing. Your baby should also have good control of their head and neck. Choosing the right bottle is key to helping your baby learn to hold it. Opt for lightweight bottles that are easy for small hands to grip. Look for BPA-free materials and choose a size that is suitable for your baby's age and feeding needs. During feedings, gently guide your baby's hands to the bottle, allowing them to feel its shape and weight. Start by supporting the bottle while letting them explore holding it on their own. Gradually reduce your assistance as they gain confidence. Positive reinforcement and patience will help them learn over time. Tummy time helps your baby build strength, which is important for sitting up and using their hands to hold things. Try to do tummy time every day to help them get better at moving and using their hands. As they get stronger, they will be able to hold their bottle by themselves. Make tummy time fun by using toys or to keep them happy and engaged. Allow your baby to practice holding objects during playtime. Give them a toy or something lightweight to hold onto, even outside of feeding times. This will build confidence and coordination, preparing them to hold the bottle on their own. Introduce toys that encourage gripping and squeezing, like teething rings. These toys will help strengthen the hand and arm muscles your baby needs to hold the bottle. Learning to hold a bottle is a new skill, so it is important to be patient and stay positive. Celebrate every small step, even if it is just for a few seconds of them holding the bottle. Offer plenty of smiles and praise, and try not to feel frustrated if it takes a while. A baby bottle holder helps your baby develop independence and motor skills by encouraging self-feeding. It also frees up your hands while keeping your baby engaged. The Tidy Friend Self-Feeding Baby Bottle Holder is designed to help babies feed independently by holding their own bottle. It features a stable holder with a flexible straw. It is ideal for on-the-go feeding and promotes self-sufficiency while minimizing spills. Every baby develops at their own speed, so continue to be supportive, patient, and encouraging. With time, patience, practice, and lots of love, your baby will soon be confidently holding the bottle on their own.